Hi everyone, today we're doing a collective haul of things that I've just been purchasing, and this is not like a one-time purchase of all these items, but I'm excited to share. First one comes in this Hermes box. I'm sure you guys can tell what it kind of is. If you watched my previous video, you can tell it is another, ta-da! It's another timepiece item, but I already have it on my wrist, and it's pretty much this Cape Cod with rose gold face and rose gold diamonds on the face and the rose gold dial, and then the steel band and the steel like outside. But this, let me see if it'll focus. It's so beautiful. You guys see that? It sparkles so cute. It's so nice. I love it so much. So yes, I've been wearing this watch a lot. My sales associate had to custom order and install this steel band for me. I had him switch out the cost for the leather band for the steel because I do prefer the steel. It's just less, it's less delicate in my opinion. I'm very hard on my items, so I do prefer that. If you guys remember my first Hermes watch, I had the orange croc and that turned brown super freaking fast, so I stopped getting leather straps on my watches. And I have, again, like I said, I've been wearing her with my CDC bracelet and my other Hermes bracelet, and I'm a rose gold girl, so it's been working out perfectly for me. So I've been enjoying that. Next item comes in this Louis Vuitton bag. I got a few samples from the store manager. This is the packaging, and this is just a perfume, and it is the California Dream. If you're not aware, this is what it looks like, and if you haven't smelled it, I highly recommend you going in the store and smelling it. The next item is in this big box. I have not purchased from Louis Vuitton in a while, and honestly I'm pretty unsure about this item as well. I don't know if I'm really in love with it. I just don't know, guys. Help me out. Oh, let me do a reel. Okay. Comes in the big box. I already took the ribbon off. And ooh, proof of purchase right here. With dust bag. Set it right there to reveal. And this is so totally not me, so that's why I'm very unsure. There's nothing like this in my collection, so I thought maybe I'd try something. I don't know. Help me out, guys. It is the Louis Vuitton CarryAll PM in the tweed cloth white nautical collection with the untreated, which is also another reason I'm worried. The Cata leather. I am in love with this luggage tag. It's metallic and mirror effect, and it's interwoven right there. It's very cute. The interior is like this, and it does come with the detachable pouch, and it's fairly thick. The interior is also a creamy white color, and I don't know what this material is. It comes with a zipper pocket right here, and then a 2 slip pocket right in front of it, and then the 2 ropes that people are unsure about. This is the strap drop that I like on the second to the shortest for a shoulder bag. It does fit crossbody, And yeah, this one is made in Italy. I'll do some mug shots. I am 5 foot, size 14-16, and this is kind of where it hits on me. I don't know, it is kind of comfortable. Obviously I have nothing inside. I am worried about how this falls and if it's comfortable, so I'll see. I'll put some items, wear it for a day and see, put in the house and see if it's gonna stay or not. Let me know your opinions. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Follow me on all my socials. I'll link them down below. Bye!